Man, fuck that. No, I'm running it back with the shotgun. Yo, what's good with it, bro? I am on time. Nah, you be late sometimes. I had GG's. Tell them. Can't sleep. Shit, you know what? I'm tired and I can't sleep either. Hey, Micro, man, Cell, appreciate you tapping that screen, bro. Let me write your name down. You been you been doing some supporting. You know, let's see. Micro Cell. You got that HD. You got that hot. Ah, nigga burning. All right, look. We're gonna win this one with shotgun. I didn't change the goddamn stick.
Hard point.
I don't know what this motherfucker.
The damn stick.
Oh, I can't get jiggy with this shit. Y'all be in the comments. That beats distracting me, man. I should have. I hit him in the chest.
Oh, that was
What's up, bro? My bad. Say it again.
very good. I believe that is clean someone's stick.
Right.
Reloading. Cover me.
Ooh, I'm covered up in this wall. Ooh, I feel like painting ball.
Ready.
Good shot, bro.
Got him. Got him.
That feels good. Give me more drugs. More drugs.
Changing mag. Arms tested. Predator missile inbound. Grenade, run!
Oh, that was nice. I never did that before.
We've taken the lead. Hard point is ours. Hard point
Okay.
tested.
Hey, GG, squad. I lost my last round.
This is all dead for me.
Go get him, Pookie. Go bite him in the ass.
Go get him, Pookie.
Yeah, I got my dog. Don't y'all know? Oh, good kid. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Standing by.
I got my dog too. What's up?
Recon standing by.
You got your dog ain't cleaner than mine. Look at mine. Yeah. Oh, I see you. Okay. Hey, that's Pookie. Hey, y'all. That's Pookie cousin, guys. That's his cousin.
Oh, that's me. That's okay.
What's up, Bo? What's up, Bo? 68-4. Bo 8-4. I mean, my bad, man. Good shot. You kind of saved my life.
I know. I seen that. I'm right behind you. I got you. Behind you.
Oh, I didn't make it.
Oh yeah. I seen that.
You saved my life again, bro.
Oh, let's do this. Do this. I'm right behind you. Where?
I'm right with you. I'm gonna go all the way across. Oh, I'm out of bullets. That's why.
I'm coming.
I'm out.
You're upstairs.
I should have used my Freddy Krueger suit. No, I'm about to use my Freddy Krueger suit.
I'm holding down the area right now.
Ah! Oh, you did. Good job, bro. If I set this stage on fire.
Alright.
Mama always told me I was crazy. The girls say I'm amazing. I don't listen to the lady.
You hear? You see all these bullets? It's all me right here.
Yeah, I'm just shooting shit for no reason. Boy, I'm the one who made Freddy Krueger, bro. What you talking about?
I got them all.
And that's how you get a dub from a loss. GG.
That's too easy.
Yeah, for you. Sauce making. Is that you?
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, what's up, Star Ashley Star? What you do? You sneak your way up in here? Hey, appreciate you tapping that screen, Ashley. Thank you.
Nice work. Well done.
This is my second game in R, and y'all got me at 3.8K. I know them I'm fingers hurting. Appreciate y'all tapping. You probably doing it with your toes, huh? Alright,